You ready? 3, 2, 1. Chipotle! Ooh. Don't ever go back. You can make it at home. First of all, maybe you can't make it. I can make it at home. I'm not gonna say you can cook. Common sense ain't common. Some people don't know how to boil water. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're having a 1,000 subscriber celebration, and I'm going to be doing a Cooking with Christian episode where I'm making chipotle from scratch. So yeah guys, I'm really excited. This is a very big day. Whenever you guys see this video, that means that I've hit 1,000 subscribers. Let's get started with the cooking. I'm going to arrange all of the food. I have cleaned the whole kitchen so that I can actually enjoy the food while I'm eating. So I'm just going to lay everything out in a way that is cute for the thumbnail. And then I'll give you guys my reaction.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, we're about to try. Alright, I gotta wait for you. We're gonna try our chipotle at the same time. You ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm so ready. Chipotle, who? Chipotle, who? Oh my gosh, this looks torch. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Come on, come on, come on. It does. Guys, chipotle who? Don't ever go back. Don't ever go back. Don't ever go back. You can make it at home. It's way better. First of all, maybe you can't make it. I can make it at home. I'm not gonna say you can cook, cause let me not. Common sense ain't common. Some people don't know how to boil water. And with this ground turkey, chipotle. If you want the recipe, you can at me. We can talk about it. Hey bro, 1,000 subscribers. We had to do it to him. So we're at 1,000 subscribers. I need you guys to comment down below what types of videos you want me to do. I know my hair isn't waist length anymore. So, I mean, I can still talk about how to grow your hair, but like, there's only so many tips I can give. But like, what kind of content do you guys want to see that will entertain you guys? Let me know in the comments. Thank you. We're one band deep. What do you guys want to be called? Cause I don't know if you guys really want to be called Christian Crew. Is it really giving Christian Crew? I don't know. I need you guys to comment, first of all, what videos you would like to see from me, what videos you like, and two, what can your name be? Because everybody keeps saying Christian Crew, but I think that's a little bit. So we're gonna work on the name, but I'm about to get Leah and her reaction.
In my reaction.
It better be like my reaction, or else you took too much. I'm stingy. Jay. Princess J.
Nice.
Leah, bruh.
Chipotle. He said it looks pretty good.
Thank you.
Alright, we're gonna take my first bite. Let's see my reaction. It's good.
Come on! You have the tortilla with that vinaigrette on it. And I already washed the dishes. I can really enjoy the food.
I'm sure they can.
Let's turn into a mukbang real quick.
What are those?
You sitting and eating food in front of the camera. Thank you for subscribing, all 1,000 of you. And I will see you guys in the